Good morning, America. A recent stem cell study has shown that SARS-CoV-2, the novel coronavirus, can infect heart cells via the same receptor present in the lungs. This may be responsible for the cardiac complication associated with COVID 19. Experts initially thought that COVID 19 was a respiratory disease with symptoms including cough, shortness of breath, and pneumonia. However, more recent evidence into COVID 19 shows that the disease can also cause neurological and cardiac symptoms. Physicians have reported changes to the circulatory system in people with COVID 19, sometimes leading to blood clots as well as cardiac complications such as changes to the heart rhythm, damage to the heart tissue, and heart attacks. Although there is widespread agreement that COVID 19 is a risk to the heart, whether these symptoms are due to the virus directly or a consequence of other disease processes such as inflammation has been unclear. In a new study appearing in the journal, scientists have helped resolve the mystery by showing that SARS CoV 2 can infect heart cells and change their function. Their findings from experiment in human stem cell suggest that the cardiac symptoms of COVID 19 may be the direct result of the infection of the heart. The scientists used a type of stem cell called induced pluripotent stem cell, that is small I PSCs, to generate heart cells. Scientists can create iPSCs from a person's skin cells and then reprogram them to become any cell type in the body. They provide a useful tool for research into human disease and a way to test treatment. In this study, the team programmed the iPSCs to become heart cells and later incubated them with SARS CoV 2 using microscopes and genetic sequencing techniques. The researchers found that SARS CoV 2 could directly infect the heart cell. They also showed that the virus can rapidly divide inside heart cells, which caused changes to the heart's ability to beat after a period of under 3 days. We do not only uncover that these stem cell derived heart cells and susceptible to infection by novel coronavirus, but that the virus can also quickly divide within the heart muscle cells, explain the first study author, Dr. Arun Sharma, a research fellow at the Regenerative Medicine Institute of Cedars Sinai Medical Center in LA, Los Angeles, California. The role of ACE2 receptor. Additional experiments focused on the different genes expressed by heart cells before and after the virus infected them. This study shows activation of the innate immune response and antiviral clearance pathways to help fight the virus. However, how does the virus get into the heart in the first place? The researchers suggest that one way in which it gains access may be by using angiotensin converting enzyme 2, that is called ACE2. This is the same receptor the virus uses to infect cells in the lungs. Importantly, studies have shown that treatment with the ACE2 antibody can help stop SARS CoV 2 from replicating and save cells in the heart. By blocking the ACE2 protein with an antibody, the virus is not as easily able to bind to the ACE2 protein and thus cannot easily enter the cell. This not only helps us understand the mechanism of how the virus functions but also suggests therapeutic approaches that could be used as a potential treatment for SARS CoV 2 infection. Join a live Q&A featuring Dr. Fauci and a panel of frontline medical experts as they discuss masks, vaccines, back to school, and more during COVID 19, hosted by your sister site Healthline. The researchers suggest that scientists could use stem cell derived heart cells to screen new drugs and find compounds able to stop the infection of the heart. This key experimental system could be useful to understand the differences in the disease processes of related coronavirus pathogens SARS and MERS, adds study author and associate professor at the University of California, LA, Los Angeles. There are some limitations to these approaches. However, these include the fact that stem cell derived heart cells are not exactly the same as the real thing. The researchers also studied the cell in a dish, an isolated system lacking the immune interactions that would occur in the human body. Nevertheless, the experiments clearly showed that the cells became infected with SARS-CoV-2, which is in line with some clinical data showing the virus in the hearts of people who died from COVID 19. Coronavirus effects on the body include respiratory symptoms such as coughing and shortness of breath. Severe cough may cause complication. The article will discuss the blood clotting process, analyze the latest research on why the coronavirus causes blood clots, and offer some tips. Coronavirus may have originated in bats or pangolins. The first known cases of COVID 19 were in Wuhan, China. Learn more. Wuhan, China. As the coronavirus outbreak continues, a host of misconception and half-truths surrounds it. In the future, we will discuss about the myth on coming bulletin.